Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the campground map on the Recreation.gov application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the Explore button down below in the left side corner, and then tap on Tickets and Tours within the Find Your Next Adventure section. Tap on the one of these destinations that you have already typed in, or type in the Enter Destination bar at the top. Select an option here and tap on the Campground Map button in the middle of the screen on the right side. And here you can see the map. You can also apply filters, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.